inhaling, exhalation valve stays closed and inhalation valve keeps open to let partial air inhaled altogether with atomized particles to reduce the stiffness feeling. When exhaling, exhalation valve opens and inhalation valve get closed to reduce the loss of atomized particles. Tips and warnings. The test shows that higher total active substance delivery can be achieved when connecting with a mist storage bottle in the nebulization treatment, so it is suggested to use mist storage bottle during nebulization. The whole nebulizing process is almost mute. Mask mode adopted. Children can take nebulizing treatment in sleep.